This place behind me, look at this. Some kind of giant castle right behind us here. Big gated fence, all that sort of stuff. I've never seen anything like this. There's not even a name on here, so I don't know what this is, but wow. What do you think, honey?
It's impressive. It looks like a great big castle, but we're trying to find out what it is and we haven't yet.
No. Wow. Just arrived in Nashville. There is now a mad dash search for my ND filters, which I haven't been able to locate. So I'm not exactly sure where they went, but hopefully they turn up. Telling you what, got hot in Nashville. By the way, I never did find the ND filters, so I'll just have to get some when I get home. Just kind of a bummer, because it means I have to do some other trickery with the camera, but it is what it is. Monica and I just got here to Nashville. As you can see, we're staying in a hotel right here at the Baymont Inn. And Sabrina from Out of Body is on her way here right now. We're gonna go out and do some dinner. And I think she's actually gonna stay overnight because she got stuck in traffic for a long time today. She just doesn't want to be driving at night, so you never know. I think we're gonna have a blast tonight though. I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm telling you what, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
She's hungry too. We're hungry. Sabrina from Out of Body.
Woohoo!
Finally made
Finally
it.
here. I look a mess and smell a mess, but here I am. Yep.
Oh, awesome.
Happy birthday. Got you some Pepsi.
Thank you.
That's what you needed.
Woohoo! Sabrina actually sat in traffic for 4 hours today. It didn't move at all. How would you even manage that?
I don't know.
I would have been peeing in a cup all day long. It would have been
I was
horrible.
contemplating it, but luckily I didn't drink too much water before I left, so I was okay. I did have coffee, but I ended up all right.
We were in the car for only 4 hours, and we stopped like 4 times. Right?
That's not true.
Or at least 4 times.
Nice.
4 hours. That's dedication.
I was determined to get here, man.
Luckily
Gotta meet Mike.
Luckily now she's gonna stay over and be on the best hour and hang out with us at Nashville tomorrow.
Nice.
You know places to see, I hope.
Sure.
Because I don't know anything. But you guys already know I don't know anything. All right, we're gonna go to dinner here. The Row Kitchen and Pub. Genuine food and drink, which is much better than the ingenuine food. I'm not exactly sure what that is.
Yeah, I don't want to have that.
Absolutely amazing dinner. The Row Kitchen and Pub. I'm telling you, wow, fantastic. Really good stuff. The Parthenon, right here in Nashville. We're gonna get a look at it up close and personal. Probably, I think. That's what we're gonna do now. I don't think we're going inside it though, because it's probably cheaper to get in the Parthenon in Greece than it is to get into the one in Nashville. And you know me, if it's not free, it's not really for me. breathe. We are walking away from the Parthenon. Probably be a great shot, but we already got a walk away shot. And how many shots of us walking do you really need in one vlog? We're gonna find out the limits of shots with people walking that you can possibly handle. Right, honey?
Before it hits 180 degrees.
Yeah, it's kind of getting warm out here today, but it is a beautiful day. And we're gonna soldier on just for you. This is Centennial Park. It is part of the Nashville downtown area. This is a nice lake that's situated in the park. There's monuments all around. There's a big stone thing over here and a monument to women's suffrage, something or other like that. Over there, Parthenon is over there. There's a path that walks around the lake over here. Pretty cool stuff. I really like this. We're eating lunch at Chewy's.
Chewy's Mexican.
Yep, you know it. Sabrina's still here from Out of Body. We got the chips and salsa. Everyone said this place is awesome. So we'll let you know. What'd you think? You can see the plates are gone and so was all the food.
It was amazing. We have to get Chewy's up in the East Coast.
Yeah. What are you doing, Chewy's? We need you in Pennsylvania. Soon. Alrighty, so we're on Music Row now. We don't know what to expect because we've never been here before, but it looks like a road. We're heading back down towards Centennial Park slowly because it is quite warm out here. We're trying to stay in the shade. You know how that is when you're bouncing from side to side on the street, trying to just stay in the shade. When you're out walking and exerting yourself and carrying around a 5-pound camera, sometimes you sweat a little bit. Sabrina is heading back to Memphis, and I might have the microphone on. Let's see. I have the microphone on.
You do.
Sabrina, oh, it's been a pleasure.
So much fun.
Oh my goodness. We are so gonna miss you.
Oh, miss you guys too. Hope you'll come back again soon.
She has a 3.5-hour drive, so drive safe, big time.
Yes, I will.
What an incredible day with Sabrina today. As fate would have it, Monica and I were tuckered out. We went out to Wendy's, got some burgers, and hung out for the rest of the evening in the hotel room watching TV. This is what happens sometimes. But hey, Sabrina, Out of Body, her link is in the description. Go over there, check out her channel. She's definitely an awesome human being you want to get to know. And do me a big favor, go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.